What's good, loves? We're back again in another video, and as you can probably tell by the title, we are going to match these earrings with my Euphoria makeup look. First thing first, it's always priming our eyes. I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer that's close to my skin tone. It's just a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and I'm using it to prime my eyes, and this is going to be our base. Next, I'm going to use a fluffy brush to just pat down that concealer and make sure that it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is the flat white color correcting concealer, and I'm going to use this to draw out my eye wing eyeshadow thing. I don't really know how to describe it, but you guys will get it once I draw it. I'm kind of doing like a wing, but it's like a thick wing that covers up the entire eyelid. You want to make sure that you're doing this above your crease and not on your direct crease, because if you do it like that, it's just gonna mess up and it's not gonna be the best. It's not gonna be the best that it could be. So cut it above your cut crease so that it doesn't get messed up and the eyeshadow doesn't get all over the place and just kill the whole vibe. As you can see, I'm winging it out. I actually put it over the tip of my eyebrow because my eyebrow's in the way. I guess I drew it down too far this time. Doesn't matter. Do what you gotta do. It still came out nice, and just make it work for you. Whatever you gotta do, do it. And once I'm done applying the concealer, I'm patting it down so that's nice and smooth and that it is not bumpy, because if it's bumpy, then when we're applying the eyeshadow, it's gonna look real messy and it's not gonna apply smooth. But next, I am deciding what color pink I want to go with the to match the butterfly that's in my earring. I decided to go with that pink because that's the lightest pink I have. The undertones are different, but they're still like very close. The one in my earring is more like an ashy pink, and this one is giving me like bubblegum. So yeah, but I just went with this one because that's the lightest pink I have, and I felt like it would work best. So I'm just patting that on. This Beauty Treats palette isn't the best. I started using this palette when I was a beginner. I still keep it because the colors in it, some of the colors are really bomb. Wouldn't recommend it. The pigmentation isn't that good. Moving on, I got these pearls specifically for this look from Amazon, and I'm gonna apply it using the Duo eyelash adhesive glue, and then I just put these little pearls in place. It was the hardest thing ever. I actually spent like maybe an hour, let me not cap, 45 minutes maybe applying these damn pearls. It was getting all over the place. I was putting them in the wrong spots. They were not cooperating and I didn't know what to do, but the look came out bomb. So I guess all the work and effort and pain and blood, sweat, and tears, work came out. You know, it worked out. Everything was great. So yeah, I just applied these one by one. I do recommend. I got the cheapest pearls I could find, and I got Amazon Prime since I'm a student or whatnot. So that was clutch, and it came in like 24 hours or something like that. Whatever. So I would recommend these pearls, but the thing is, they didn't come organized, as y'all can see by the package. So get the ones that come organized. I think they were $7, but I got the $5.99 ones. So get the $7 one because they come organized, and I was struggling to dig through all the pearls to find all the ones that were the same size. So yeah, don't struggle. Don't suffer yourself. And I also threw on some lashes. These lashes are from Wink Collection. Y'all probably saw them in my Revlon line. But now we're moving on to skincare. And talking about Revlon, I am applying my Revlon Prime Plus Primer. This is Skin Evening and Brightening formula, and it is bomb. You can wear it without a makeup. You can just wear it as like a skincare, you know, moisturizer or whatever. And then I'm putting my Fit Me foundation on in 370, and don't come for me. I know it's too dark for me. I was feeling like I was still my summer shade, but it's getting a little cold here in Iowa and whatnot. So yeah, I should have thought twice before applying this foundation on my skin because it was dark. But you couldn't peep. You couldn't tell. I didn't look like I was wearing my mask, so I guess it all worked out in the end and whatnot. But yeah, you want to blend that in. Make sure you get that neck, that chin, that ear area. Like I tell you all the time, we can't be wearing a mask out here. It's not Halloween time. Anyway, putting my Maybelline, I was about to say Fit Me, Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on. This is the same concealer I used to prime my lids. And yeah, I'm applying that under my eyes, nose, forehead, and Cupid's bow, as well as my chin. And you can do under your contour if you like, but I kind of stopped doing that because I felt like it was giving me like a weird shape to my face. Yeah. And then I'm just using this small little brush to blend it out. And this brush is actually from BH Cosmetics. I don't know what collection. I bought them like 2 years ago. So yeah, they're really good brushes. I wash my brushes too often, so they tend to start to peel and like fall apart after a while. And when I say too often, I mean like right after I'm done like doing my makeup, I wash my brushes, and I do makeup a lot. So yeah, I don't know if that's like a bad thing, but I just feel like I'm like a germaphobe. Like I don't like germs, and I don't like using dirty brushes. And when my brushes are clean, I just feel like 10 times better about life. So yeah, if you got any suggestions for someone like me, let a sister know. Okay, thank you very much. But yeah, you're just going to blend that out. Make sure you get in the crevices of your eyeball. Get all up in there. Get them bags. Them designer bags. But yeah. And I brought my concealer really close to my nose. Tried to shape it and make it look really, really nice. Because I want my nose to be real chiseled for some reason. And yeah, it was really nice and cute. And then I brought the concealer that was on my forehead. I brought it down on the bridge of my nose a little bit, so like it kind of connects and look all nice. I feel like I should have blended out the one on my forehead a little bit more, because I don't know if it was me or what, but I just feel like it wasn't blended out enough. You know what I mean? I just felt like I could have did better. You feel me? But it's cool. It's cool. Blend, 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 blend. I just feel like that I'm saying that because like that's all you really do. Like you just blend for your life. And then we're moving on to contour, and we're going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Truffle. Apply some on the contours of our face. If you don't know where the contour of your face is, make a fishy face by sucking in your cheeks and doing like kissy lips. And do like a fishy face and just contour in that area where your face indents. I don't know if that's a good explanation, but I'll explain it in some of my videos. So if you watch some of my old videos, I've explained it multiple times. Maybe I should do like a specific video for just contour, but let a sister know. All right, let a sister know. Now, using the same brush I used to apply my foundation, I am just blending out that contour using like circular patting motions, kind of like back and forth circular patting motions, as you can see in the video. And yeah, I just blend everything out and make it look really nice. And then I went in, I kind of regret doing that because I felt like that concealer just wasn't doing me justice, but I kind of went back in with my concealer brush and just patted in my concealer on my forehead. I don't know, I wasn't feeling whatever was going on with my forehead, but yeah, the look came out nice. Everything was still bomb. I just wasn't feeling my forehead for some reason. I don't even know why I wasn't feeling it. And then I just used that same brush to blend out the contour on my nose. And now I'm going in my Airspun translucent powder, and I'm setting this in. I really love how this powder has been treating me lately. Like, OMG. But yeah, this powder is I think about $6 to $8 at Walmart. So cop it up. I've been using this powder for I don't even know how many years, and this is actually my second one. So yeah, that's crazy because I think I've been doing makeup since like 2016. So the fact that this is my second Airspun translucent powder, I mean, this is gonna last forever. So I went into my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using the darkest shade to set my contour in. And then I'm going into the sculpting shade, which is that medium shade. I'm using it as a foundation powder, and I'm just dusting off the Airspun translucent powder. And I'm sorry if you can hear my boyfriend downstairs making hella noise. He's on his PlayStation gaming thingy, and he's just being so annoying. So I super apologize if you can hear his loud behind. Please don't choke me for it. Who is this girl? She is so adorable. Going into my Juvia's Place palette, Zulu palette. I tapped into that pink shade and I'm using it as a blush today, putting it on my cheekbones and the tip of my nose because you know I love to do that. And then I'm going in my Badescu setting spray, and I'm just going to spray my face before applying my highlight. I like to do this multiple times in this process, but this time I just did it once. And now I'm going in with my Candy Craze highlight in Berry Pot of Gold. And girl, do you see it? Do you see it? Like, do you see it? Like, come on, I'm glowing. Bro, I am glowing. I apply those on my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, chin, and on my brow bone. It was getting my eyebrows, so I had to dust it off a little bit, but yes. And now I'm just using the brown shade out of the same Zulu palette, and I'm just contouring my nose a little bit because I forgot to set my nose contour, so I just decided to use the Zulu palette to do that. And then I'm going to go in with that same brush because I switched my brush to get something more small and detailed. And I'm going to apply that highlight, girl. Yes. And now I'm going in with my Revlon So Fierce eyeliner in, I always forget this, Mystery Magic. It's not Mystery Magic. Mystery Music. Mystery Museum. I don't know, but I'm gonna put it on the screen, so just check that. All right, okay, thank you. And now I'm just applying mascara on my bottom lash. I already applied mascara on my top lash before I applied my lashes, so I don't need to do that again. And then I'm going in with this mild makeup pigment. I believe this is their pearl white pigment, and I'm applying that in my inner corners just to spark it up a little bit, make it pop a little bit. I mean, you see that? That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Who is she? Now I'm just taking off the moisturizer / lipstick. I'm not sure which one I used that I applied to my lips before this video. And I'm going to line my lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner in brown. And now I'm going in with Dior by Tish Cosmetics. I'm not sure if it's Tish. Yeah, but I love this lip gloss, and it was sent to me by a small business, and I love it so much. So definitely check them out on Instagram. I'll have their stuff on the screen. And yeah, I'm applying this nude color on my lips, and then I'm going to top it off with some lip gloss from Revlon, girl. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I pack on the lip gloss. There's no such thing as you have on too much lip gloss. Like, what? Girl, I don't have on enough. Okay? And to top all this off, I'm setting it with the Morphe Setting Mist. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys like this euphoria look that I did, matching my butterfly pearl earrings. I had so much fun creating this look. It was really different. It's bomb. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you recreate it, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. I'll have my Instagram somewhere on the page. Make sure you check out my last video. That was more of a fall look. Excuse me. That was more of a fall look, and I will be creating more fall looks, so be on the lookout. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, put your notification bell on so you don't miss out on all of this, and give me a big thumbs up. But that's it for the video, and remember to always be beautiful and love yourself.